It's now 7:44 on the clock. How many degrees? 7.1 degree right now. And we head into the seafront just to feel the warm sunrise on my skin right now. You can see it's just coming up at the back of me. And I'm gonna do a quick catwalk on here because it seemed like a little stage, a little runway. Woo! It's a bit nippy as well.
18 degrees on the clock.
Not that warm. I see 7.1 on there. I had a nice warm shower. Tried coming off with my sexy outfit, but it's not as warm as I thought. Right now there's no one on the beach as yet. It's all nice, and I would say the sun color is beige. Nice beige, also in contrast with the beach chairs as well. And this is the beach. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Every now and then I have to just cover up a bit because the fresh sea breeze, it's a bit nippy. I've got the sun right to my left. It's now starting to pop up, and lovely, lovely dune right at the back of me.
Look at the full moon behind you.
We've got the full moon on my right and sunrise on my left. Be careful you take the lady, she's naked out there. She just took off her clothes to go in the sea. Turn around. Also the lifeguard hut. I just saw a guy around it. I don't know if he's one of them. And voila. Sunrise. Sun is rising. Amazing sunrise this morning. I cannot wait to just feel that bright orange sun on my skin. Ooh. And bright orange sun. Amazing. It's slippery though. I love it. I hope there's nobody in there to feel that. It's kind of slippery. What an amazing view this morning. The sun rising. even the sea sun at the front, it's all wet. It looks beautiful, the scenery all around. Not too many people right now, just because you know it's early morning and it's breakfast time at the hotels. It starts from 7 and it's like about 7:30 right now. No, it was 7:40 something, so it should be almost 8 right now. And just a few people just walking on the seashore, absorbing all that fresh air from the sea, also smelling of the fresh sea salt, the first morning sea salt, because there's nobody in the sea as yet, and it hasn't felt contaminated. Just saying, because all night it's been rolling nicely, so everything seems fresh right now, and the sun is popping out. It's still not too warm. I don't want to take off my cardigan because I can feel the breeze blowing cold on my skin. It's a bit nippy. But yes, it's amazing just here this morning, feeling all of this and inhaling, smelling. Amazing. 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 Come along with me on the seashore. I would be able to walk and run and jump better there because it's all flat and nice from the sea water. I make sure I put my wet shoes this morning. Hopefully I may go in the seawater. Amazing. The moon at the back and the sun at the front.
And good morning from me. This is our first vlog for this trip, and we are coming to this lovely island to catch some beautiful locations.
Yes.
And do some exciting content. Very, very exciting, and Mel looks amazing, beautiful
Saturday
than ever.
morning today.
Mel, look at this sun. One side is the sunrise, the other side is the moon.
Yes, it is.
I've
You
never
can
seen
see
anything
it
like that.
through
And it's
our
a full moon
sunglasses.
today.
Yes.
Today is the full moon and we have a full orange sun.
Well, now a few people starting to come and get the cold bath. So we have a few people going into the sea, and trust me, it is cold. Yesterday afternoon I went to put my feet in there and I had to be screaming. So right now it would be even, you know, colder than it would be in the afternoon time. So a few people starting to go in. They actually going in naked, all naked. So we better turn the camera. The lady is coming out from the sea. She's naked. Yes. Woo. Amazing. Hey, it's also people come here and then they just strip to nothing all day. So I'm gonna be doing that a little later. I make sure I wore my swimsuit this morning, thinking, oh, I would go in the water, but let me turn on my jacket. It's cold. I don't know how they're jumping in that water, but it's not warm. Yes. So we're gonna head back to to the hotel for breakfast right now. So just want to wish you a fabulous day today. Stay safe. Have an amazing day, amazing Saturday, and keep smiling. Just enjoy yourselves.